In this video, you will learn about the statistical test which we apply in inferential statistics, as we have different situations for different tests, like when we have to apply the z-test, when we have to apply the t-test, and when we are talking about the variance test, testing, then mean and then z and t totally converted into chi-square and f-test. So in this video, you will learn how and when we choose which test for our problems, for our hypothesis testing or analysis. So let us start with one and two sample mean testing. In many situations or in many problems, we have to solve one sample mean testing, or we want to estimate difference of mean testing, or we want to test either the two populations come from the same mean or comes from the different means, or the mean of the population is equal to our true value or not. So in that cases, we have two types of tests, Z and T. So to test the one or two sample mean, we have to choose between Z and T test. There is slightly a difference between these two tests, and that is the variance. So whenever the population variance or the population standard deviation is known, we can estimate from the population variance or standard deviation, then we are about to choose z-test. So z-test is applicable only whenever we have population variance information. But if we haven't the population variance information with us, or we have the sample information and we have to estimate the sample variance, in that cases, to test the equality of mean or one sample mean, we have to choose the t-test. And we have different types of t-test, like one sample t-test, paired t-test, uh, test of independence, student t-test. So we have different situations to choose these tests. But whenever we have the one sample mean testing, then we have to choose z-test if the variance is known. And if the variance is unknown, then we have to choose t-test for the one sample testing of mean. But whenever we have the two sample mean test, if the variances of both populations are known, or we can find easily, or we have the information about the standard deviation or the variance of the population, then we choose the z-test for the equality of two mean testing. So whenever variances are unknown and we have to test the equality of variances, then we choose the t-test if the variances of population are unknown or we cannot estimate it accordingly. So in t-test, the assumption is that variances must be unknown. We have only sample information, and on the basis of sample, we have to estimate the results about the population. So t-test is used when we have the variances are unknown and we want to test the equality of mean or the one sample mean. So we have different types of t-test. For equality of mean, like we have to different situations. If the variances are equal and unknown, which test we have to decide if the variances are equal and known, then the test is changed. And if the variances are unequal and unknown, then the test is totally changed. And if we want to test before and after effect, then we have paired t-test. So we have different situations of to choose the appropriate t-test, which we will learn in our next video, inshallah. So in this video, you will learn about the Z and t-test. If we want to test one sample mean, then choose the Z. If you want to select one sample mean, but the variances are unknown, choose the T. And similarly for two sample mean testing. So for the mean testing, we have only Z and T test. So choose accordingly, and the mean assumption is the variance. If the variances are known, population variances, not the sample variances. If the population variances are known, then choose Z. But if the population variances are known are unknown, then select the t-test, and which t-test is most suitable for your analysis or for your study. This will depend upon the assumptions of other parameters, which we will discuss in further lectures. So now come on the other test. Other kind of numerical may involve the variance testing, like we want to test the one sample variance or one population variance. In that case, we choose the chi-square test. So chi-square test is appropriate test to test the variances. So when we have the mean testing, we have T and Z test, and but when we want to test the variances, for that we have to choose the chi-square test. And chi-square test have its own applications and formula and calculation procedure, which detail is given in chi-square lectures. So, but just remember here, if you want to test one sample variance, choose the chi-square. And if you want to test two sample variances, then the appropriate test is the F-test. So apply the F-test whenever you want to test two sample variances or equality of two variances. So choose F. So what we learned in this lecture, we have C and T test for mean testing, either it is one sample or the two sample. And we have variance, one sample variance testing, we have the chi-square test, and for the two sample variance testing or the equality of variances, we have the F test. So this is all about how to choose the appropriate test for our questions or our problems. So this lecture will help you to choose the appropriate test. And in our next videos, we will learn how we can do or apply these tests on practical or numerical examples.